Either. Don't need. Look out, either. Who's either? To see, yo, bitch, you wanna fuck my AP? You please. Money way. You freeze. 2-seat. In beat. On me. Eat it. Bro, why the frick are you shooting me? Nah, now you're not flying it. No, I'm kicking you off now. Now you're not flying it, yeah. Like I died. Me I'll be expecting stuff with another on the side. Oh man. I'ma get the money. Draco, get the loot. East Fishing and Double on the side. Now try to trouble me. I just think it's a struggle for me. She gonna tell the story different day from me. Gospel. Hold up. You know the weird thing is, right? Oh, I was in the car. I was just like that. I was in the car. They thought. Bro, what the frick? You pull up my... Bro, you're stupid. Bro, where's my door at? Bro. Frick it. What you get? And my mom, I'm sorry.
Killed a man. I won't tell. Honest. You gonna be be very long. I need to drop a deuce.
Get in my car, bro. Come on. Get in. You don't gotta get in the back. Bro, he took off my door. Join, bro. We about to do stand your ground. Join. Join it. Hey. Alright, now we can start it up. Hold up, I'm trying to see something. Alright, not yet. Whoa. I know you in my crib, bro. bro.
Morse Mutual, how can I be of service? I'll do my best.
Oh, you blew up my stuff. Bro, post up. Post up with this same weapon right here. Like, come up. Like, cause no, it's this way. This way. Like that. Oh, hold up. We need another one. Hold up. What's his name again? No. You. You right there. Come right here. Come right here. And then post up like that. Post up this way. Nah, put your gun out. And stand up. So I can make this little put your gun. Put your gun, bro. Alright. Let me make the I did the picture. Now we could do. I did the picture. Is people even coming after us? Oh, yeah. Bro, don't stand right there. Alright, who got the micro SMG? Who got this gun? The micro SMG, because we about to do another one. You got the micro SMG? Nah, use the micro SMG. You got this gun? Y'all got the Uzi? Cause if you do, I don't got the Uzi. Hold up, bro. Just post up right here, bro. Post up right here, bro. You got red clothes? You got like a red outfit, like a blood outfit, anything like that? Cause we about to post up right here with our guns out. We're about to post up with this out. With the Draco. Pull up on your block, boy. Everything, you know what I'm saying? Nobody's coming after us, bro. We deep, bro. We good, bro. Like, nobody's coming after us. Yeah, run it up, bro. Run it up. Yeah, bro, run it up. Oh, I don't got that gun, but I do got this gun. I do got this one. I don't got that gun, but I do got this one. Alright, we gonna post up right here, bro. With heavy guns, bro. We gonna... Alright, bro. Take cover. You can't fight him. If he killed both of us, bro, you can't fight him, bro. Actually, you can. Never mind. But I'm gonna kill him again with my Uzi. Dang. How did I not kill him? It was good, gang. It was good, gang. Post up right here. Post up right here, bro. Post up right here, bro. We gonna have this gun out. Yeah, you got the, Nah, don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. If you got the Draco, come up right here, bro. If you got the Draco, pull out your Draco, bro. Pull out your Draco. It's called the combat rifle. Pull out your combat rifle. Alright. Now, you over there, you come right next to me. Come right next to me. Whoa. Yeah, right there, right there. No. Go back a little bit. Right. No. Come up, right there, right there. Right. Alright, let me just do this real quick. Alright, it's done. You don't have to do that no more. Bro, I'm coming over there to go murder them. Brian, why you running, bro? Why you running, Brian? Don't run, Brian. Brian, don't run. Don't run. Why you running? What the frick? How you killed it? Oh, it was actually an entrance right there. I didn't even see that. Stupid. We gotta go back, bro. Come on. Draco gang. We out. Oh, hell no. He back here, bro. We can't let him slide, bro. bro. You gotta go. Bro, I'm on the roof. God damn. I got off the roof. I could have been a great sniper on the roof, but I freaking got off. Stupid Brian, retard. Bro, Savage King in. Bro, I did not call it up for you to riot. Like, I did not do that. Like, get off my bike. Bring it to me and get off. Now, matter of fact, you can ride it for a little bit, and then it's the other guy's turn. Alright, who was riding it? J Money, you was riding it? Say yes if you put it, point if. Alright, so it's J Money's turn. It's J Money's turn. Write it. Go write it. J Money, go write it. Bro, get off. J Money, go write it. Alright. Cause, yeah, it is turn. Let me change this song, cause y'all better stop before I shoot y'all. Stop. Bro, I'm shooting him in his balls. I'm shooting him in his balls. Alright, I'll put my bike away. No! Bro, we've been playing around so much that we forgot. Now I'm really putting away my bike. Swish, shish, shish.
You're through to your garage. You, need me to bring you a ride? Alright, I'll get back to work.
Stupid. You don't understand that I'm the God. You don't understand.
I'm on the clock. What you want? Some wheels? It's on the way.
You want to fight, right? Everybody get in my car now. Don't shoot me, bro. Bro, stop. You shooting me. Dude. I'm not trying to chop you. I'm trying to get my car. Bro, get him out of my car!
Something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know. It's coming at you.
Bro, don't kill him. Don't kill him. You're gonna invite him too. I'm gonna invite him to the thing. Don't kill him, bro. Don't kill him. I'm gonna invite him to it. I'm gonna invite him to it. Bro, we're not gonna kill you. We're not gonna kill you. We just wanna be your friend. We're not gonna kill you, bro. Just join. Just join it. Join it. Don't kill him, guys. Don't kill him. Join it, Brian. Brian, join it. Join it, Brian. Brian, join it. Join it, Brian. You put your waypoint here. I'm here. You put your waypoint here. Hold up, I want to see how much is it. I'm really about to kick you out my car. Get out now. Get in. Oh. Bro, why are you always leaving? This is annoying, bro. Get in my car. We're gonna do a heist. You wanna do a heist? You wanna get money? You wanna get money? You wanna do a heist? Do you wanna get money or not? Which one? Do you wanna do a heist? I know Mike wants. I know he wants. I know he wants to. Ryan, join it. Brian, join it. Join it, Brian. Yeah, I'm streaming, bro. What's good, bro? Of course I'm streaming. No home on this, but I do need to sleep, though. Alright, I need to go change my hairstyle. Cause I can't be blood and I have crip on. I can't be blood and I have blue on. So I gotta go to the clothes store. If y'all wanna come, y'all can come, cause you know what I'm saying, like ooh. And I hit it one time on the left ball. I'll call him up.
I'm on the clock. What you want? Some wheels? I'll bring it to you.
What's good, bro? What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? Come on, get in my car, bro. What? How did my car spawned there? My car spawned there. How is that even possible? Please don't be stuck. Oh, thanks. Oh, stop doing that. Now I'm gonna come up here and just... Bro, stop getting out the car! Damn! Let me park! You can't wait! Bro, why would you get your haircut first? Just put red and blue. No, red and black. Red and black. Do you know how to do that, bro? Do you know how to do that? Put red and black. You know how my hair is blue and black, bro? Put red and black, bro. Oh wait, you see the word highlights, right? Highlights. Press it, and then you see two colors. You see two colors. It says highlights. Press it, and then you see two colors. After that, then you put red and black. Did you do it yet? Are you dead serious, do you?
What do you have in mind?
Oh man, bro, not that. That's ugly. No, it told me to kill you. It told me to kill you, bro. It's It tells me to kill you, bro. It told me to kill you, bro.
Please be more careful. Do you know how you want it done?
Hey, alright, let me put back on the music. I'm gonna lie, Lopo,
Where are my glasses?
I'm gonna center my head to my toes.
Hey guys, this is Andre from Trapney. Hope you're all having an incredible.
Yeah, I'm looking like Lil Pump today. Lil Pump. Oh, yo. Yo. I look like Lil Pump. Lil Pump. Oh, yo. Alright, who's shooting me? Who's shooting my car? Lopa. Lopa. Oh, yo. Word. Oh, yo. Bro, press highlights. Press highlights, right? And then you see two colors. Put red and black. Red and black, okay? Red and black, alright? I had an outfit for Lil Pump, I think. Had an outfit. Yeah, this was an outfit for Lil Pump. This one. Nah, it was this one. Nah, no, it wasn't that one. It wasn't that one. It was this one, I meant. Yeah, that one. This one. Lil Pump, oh, Lil Pump, oh, Lil Pump, oh, Lil Pump, oh, Lil Pump, oh. LeBron. Why is it still going? I can't evade it on ropes. Yeah. And she wants it on my help. Yeah. What the frick? Yo, these stupid pedestrians. Just, yo. This is dumb these days, bro. Boys is dumb these days, bro. Sit down, boy. Okay, here's somebody. Hey. I got his out of my head to my toes. On my phone. I want a molly, I'm on a beat. I'm on a molly and I'm on a beat. I'm on a molly and I'm on a beat. What you said?
Take your time.
Hold up. Let me turn on my TV. Now what you said?
I'm hacking your account.
I'm on a molly, I'm on a beat. I'm on a molly and I'm on a beat. Alright, somebody's watching me. I said somebody's watching me. All these hats.
You won't find those anywhere else.
I'm gonna just put these ones on. No, it's supposed to be this one. And I put my hood up. Yeah. Like that. Like that. I got a zeta into my toes. Oh. Look on.
Bye. Enjoy your purchase.
Stop smoking.
What the?
I'll get this.
Stop smoking. I said chop smoking. Alright, let me actually change my stuff to red and black. Dude, seriously? I don't give a gut. I don't give a gut. I don't give a duck. I don't give a duck. You know what? Bing, boy! I got this out of my head to my soul. Now let me get the Uzi out. The Uzi Vert. The Uzi Vert. Bro, stop playing with me. Playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. Oh, that was Legit Tryhard. Oh, you was in my crew too? I never knew that, bro. Sorry, bro.
Welcome.
Hold on, let me see you here. Come in here, bro. Hey, you did it. Now, put red and black. Since now you know how to do it. Put red and black now. Dude, try hard. Stop playing with me. I'm dead not in the mood. Stop. And I'm trying to get my hair cut. You freaking messing it up, you dummy. I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm trying to get my hair cut. What the frick, bro? You freaking messed it up. You. Going so fast. Going so fast. I'm not gonna shoot you.
Come back anytime.
My God, bro, you always don't ever do that. Why would you kill my friend, bro? Why? Just why? Just tell me why. Legit, leave me the fuck alone, bro. I got a zat in my head to my toe. I got a video in here on my go.
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know.
Dude!
I'll bring it by.
God! J Money, I hate you. Freaking hate you. Freaking hate you. Alright, come in my car, J Money. I got a zed in my head to my toes. I don't know. Oh, this has why is the music not playing? Come on, you two. Well, what the freak? Get in! Let me invite you to the thing. Here, join. Join it. Alright. Now I'm gonna start up the stand your ground if it lets me. Alright. I started up the stand your ground. Just so you know, people is gonna come after us, so we gotta be on deck. We have to have our This dude just knocked down my door. And where's my other teammate at? What's his name again? Crite, you all the way up there, bro. All the way up there, bro. Alright, stop hitting people. Stop hitting people. Bro, we plugging. Plugging. Be plugging, bro. Plugging. Everybody that has red clothes, wear them, cause we plugging, bro. Hold up. Now we gotta post up right here. Come over here. You gotta post up. Post up right here. Just like that. Right next to me. Bro, come over here. What are you doing? Why you need the KSG card? Now put your gun up, bro. Alright. Bro, put your red clothes on. What you doing switching clothes for? What the frick? Someone just did? Alright. Just post up, bro. Just post up. Don't like aim or nothing. Just post up. Don't aim or nothing. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, just post up like that. Alright. I'm gonna send it to all y'all. I'm gonna make a group and send it to all y'all. Matter of fact, what's his name again? What's his name again? Legit. Legit try hard. Make a group and invite me to it. Invite them to. Invite both of them. No, I said invite both of them. Invite both of them to the Alright, y'all finna stop hitting them. Stop. 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 Alright, stop. Hold up, nah, we need the blood card. Let me call up my blood card. Bro, you wasting your ammo. Yeah. I just saw J Money. I think I see people. Hold up. Bro, y'all don't see this dude over here? Y'all don't see him? Or her? Whatever. I saw a girl character. I don't care. But we gotta keep out the lookout for snipers and all of that, bro. Snipers and all of that. Everybody here has to be my friend. So he has to be my friend. Him right here has to be my friend. Whoo! Bro, we blogging. We blogging. Bro, nobody's coming after us. Like, they scared. We posting up looking deep around here. I think I see somebody coming up here. Alright, post up, bro. Bro, Tony's coming up here. Tony's coming up here, bro. Bro, they're scared of us. We're deep. We deep. They're scared. Bro, we deep as a mo, bro. We deep, bro. They don't want none of that. They don't want no beef. They don't want no beef. We want beef. They don't want no beef. Which beef you talking about? Jerk chicken beef? I'm kidding. That would be stupid, boy. Andar is dead.
When we smoke a blunt, then we gonna go to Red Lobster.
Okay. No. Everybody get it. I didn't. Ooh. Why would he? Why would he go in passive mode in these? Yo, people these days retards. Odds kill me. Posted. Get them stir fry. Rose. That's what dolls at the guitar. In the kitchen with cooking up round table. This is a nice car. Nice car, bro. Nice car. You better get it before it blows up. Because I'm gonna kill it. This dude really thinks he could kill me. Stupid. In the kitchen we cooking up stir fry. In the kitchen we just stir fry. For two, we agree. That's what my dogs at the downtown. Popeyes. In the kitchen. In the kitchen. I just took off Jamie. Yeah, get off. That's funny to watch. Big river tank. Stir fry. Get the way cooking up a stir fry. Get off. Oh my god, that's so funny to watch. Just slap him off. I'm gonna use my flying bike. I'll be right back, bro. Yo, J Money, you just killed my friend, bro. His name is J Capon, bro. Hey, J Capon. J Capon. Bro, what I need you to do is, right? Run away from us, cause we deep, bro. We're deep. Bro, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account, boys. Whoopie, bro. Like, we're deep, bro. Like, is he in a Duke of Death? Oh, yup. He's in. Dude's trying to run me over. Bro, we're deep fingers. Alright, I'm gonna invite you to it. Bro. Yeah, I'm gonna invite you to the motorcycle club. Alright, I invited you. Join. Bro, we're freaking deep. Hey man, I want to ride your bike, man, but you won't let me. Who calling me? Huh? No. Okay, I could charge that. It's not like it's a big deal. And I want a bill. And I want a bill. I know what it is. Bro, let's play a run and gun. I'm gonna invite all y'all. Let's play a run and gun. I'm gonna invite all y'all. So join. Bro, J Money, they need to join. Why they not joining it? Bro, I'm inviting them, but they not joining. Oh, they are joining. Never mind. Yeah. Invite your friends and invite everybody. Invite your friends and invite everybody. I'm just gonna kick her. Do not invite Nardo, because I'm automatically gonna kick him. I don't like him no more. Used to be my friend, but I don't like him no more. I'm just gonna start it up. It says somebody's joining. Now I can start it up. It still says somebody's joining. Sam, it says Sam77. Hey, my boy, look at it. Oh my God. It says player joining. I can't kick him. His name is Sam. I can't start it, bro. It keeps on saying player joining, player joining, player joining. Who? Do you just want me to, like, leave this one and start up it again? Start up a ring fight? Alright. I'll start it up. There you go. Yup, and then we'll start it up. Alright, bro. That's what I'm doing. I'm inviting all of my friends, everybody. Yup. Wait, do you have it on right now? Oh, you have a different one. It started. Hold up. Would you wait? Dang, I didn't even get to change my outfit. I was just drinking. Bro, do not chop me. Stop, man. Now I'm ready. Nah, no jumping. No jumping. Stop. Oh my god, bro. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. that's not fair. I'm jumping. Bro, you can't be right there, bro. Bro, move, Jamie. Oh my god, man. Would you move? Y'all annoying. Can't freaking move. Move! Oh my god. Stop jumping, man. Like, dang. Now, the only way you won me because he got in the way. So, stop jumping, man. And then you're just gonna come in too. Oh my god. No, don't jump in. Stop. Yes. Yes. Already put on my clothes. Already put on my clothes. All right.